Admiral Dryer ADE 7005AYW. Take these clips out. Those two. Alright, so now we just lift this up. One there. Also looks like there's a bolt, or there's two clips there, one there. These clips you just use your finger. You just kind of pop it up. There you go. Pause that to see what kind it is. I got it kind of hanging up here just to make it easy. Now we're going to remove the front door. Remove the light first, so it's gray. As you can see, pull them out. Might not be that easy. I got that for the door closing. There we go. There we go. Come on, get this guy out. You get the idea. I got them all off. I actually kind of push that one up. So we're gonna get on that. Remove those. All right, with these wires, make sure you kind of color code them. I guess you can watch my video to see where they go. Remove that bolt. Now onto this off. As you see, there's a rubber piece on here. That will go up around this. Should be. Remove these 1, 2, 3, 4, and probably just pull this. Remove this. It's kind of in there. There we go. We're going to remove the drum. It just comes out. That's what the drum sits on. Make sure this thing's all the way around. Get you another camera angle. And you're good. So basically loop it around like this. See the grooved edge? Grooved. And then loop it, both of them around under this one. And then your drum goes inside it. Like you can see, it spins freely. So you notice like it's hexagons. So yes, as I was showing you, this was just is stripped, as you can see there. 2 bolts there and 2 bolts, both 8mm 5/16. They went here and here. So we got 754-305 is the part number. Right here, we're gonna put that on. It is reversed thread, of course, because of the pulley system spinning. So we're going to do that. 22mm. There's even this says tighten and loosen, and I'm going to tighten that up. All right. I forgot to mention you did have to unplug it. So plugging it in right there, and 1, 2, and as you know, we snuck that tongue. Now we're going to test it. As you see, I hooked the door back up to test it. It's really good. Smooth side on the back. Loop it around. Use this to carry it, I guess. Get it on the rollers. Put the chin on this side. Loop it around here. And then you're going to have to come kind of loop it, so I got this like this, and we're going to go around the belt. Around the tensioner, here it is. It's kind of in its track. Everything is lined up, which it is not. I'm putting this piece back on. Make sure you slide these in right there. Make sure this thing's in there. They're all in there. This is in there. This is in there. This is in the carpet. We want to put everything back just the same way it came off. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe.